Changing the hard drive on the Lorex 4K Fusion, installing 14 terabyte. This is a Lorex 4K NVR. To replace the HD, you need to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, and then these two once you open the drive, and then there is a one on the back right here, and then once it's open you just lifted it up gently. You can lift it up, and here is the drive. I have already opened the screws from the back. As you can see, there are two screws. You just have to open it up. These are the cables. You just slide it down just like this. You slide it and lift it up. It should be come out easily just like this. These are the two screws. Unscrew those, put it behind this drive, connect to it, and replug it in. You should good to go. Make sure you open all the screws, otherwise it will not come out. All right.